Hi, the Pro edition of the Tooltip Glossary plugin can be used with your site's widgets. The widgets add extra value to your glossary users by enabling them to interact with terms directly. The Glossary Random Terms widgets allow you to display random terms from your glossary. The Glossary Latest Terms widget allows you to display the latest terms added to your glossary. The Word of the Day or Week widget allows you to highlight one word that can be randomly selected every day or every week. To enable the widgets, go to your site's backend and find Appearance and Widget Options. Here you can find different options for each widget, such as setting the number of random terms, showing the content or excerpt for your latest terms, or randomizing the word of the day and choosing how often it will change. The widgets can be placed in one of your site's theme widget areas, such as the sidebar, footer, or header, and you can use them on pages and posts as well. Don't forget to check in the plugin documentation for even more information and possibilities.